Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to bend a line in Canva. If you guys are new to Guide Infinity, if you could give us a like and also a subscribe, that would be amazing. Okay, so as you can see, here we are in canva.com and we've got a blank project open up here. And what we're going to do is we're going to come over to the left-hand side and we're going to click on this button here that says Elements. And at the search bar at the top here, we are going to type in line. And as you can see, we have got all different lines come up. So if we click on this see all button, and then you can see all of these different lines. So we can bend a line with all of these. So here we go. I'm just going to bring a selection over to us. Okay, so we've got our line selected, and then if you press line style, you can see at the bottom here it says line weight. So if you want it super thick, you can do that, or if you want it really thin, you can toggle that right down, and then it is a super thin line for you. So that's totally up to you. You can also change the color of it as well if you wanted to, so make it a nice sort of peachy color or go for blue, whatever it is that you fancy. So we're now going to select our line, and then as you can see this icon here that says line type, if you give that a click, and then as you can see you can have it straight, elbowed or curved. So if we click onto curved, and now our line has got this curve in it, and if you hold down this circle in the middle, you can then maneuver that bend however you want to. If you want to have it right in the center, if you want to bring it down, so again it looks like a cute little smile, and just however you want to have this bend in your line, you can do it for any type of line. So if we click on this dotted line here, if we come up again to this icon that says line type, and if we do curved, there we go, you can see that we've now got that lovely curve in our line. Hold down this middle circle button, and then you can change that to however you want, bring it down, and get creative. And that is how to bend a line in Canva. I hope that you guys found this video useful. If you could hit the like button and the subscribe button, that would be amazing. Any questions or comments, if you leave it in the comment section down below, that would be awesome. Thank you guys. We'll see you in the next one.